friends, I am so excited to share with you another application video. I have one that's a little more in detail, but I know that everybody's really busy and sometimes the long detailed video is a little too long. So I wanted to give like a brief overview on how to apply your nail wraps and what you would need. So obviously you're going to need a sheet of wraps. That's what a sheet will look like, and it'll give you enough to do 2 manicures and 2 pedicures, and you're still going to have more left over. I call them like accent nails that you can pair with something else. Today I'm actually going to pair it with this half sheet, so I just cut a regular sheet down the middle, and I'm going to do accents of this. I also recommend prepping your nails really well. I always start out with our cuticle remover pen. It's just like a little brush pen that you wipe on your nail, kind of like nail polish, around where your cuticles would be. After leaving it there for a minute or so, you use your orange stick and just push back the cuticle, and it literally just kind of wipes off. Because I don't like those clipper things. I usually end up clipping myself and it hurts. And then I like to go back behind it with the nail prep solution that we have. Just get a little cotton ball. I like that it dispenses on the top. It's so nice. Just set it on the counter and do that. And I wipe all my nails down. Today I'm just gonna go ahead and do my thumb so you can get a visual of what it would look like. So I wiped my thumb down. And I apply my nail wraps with tweezers. Reason being is that if you touch it with your fingers, the oil from your fingers are going to affect your adhesive on the back, and you're not going to get a very good seal. So I just find it easier to apply with tweezers. I have my mini heater running. I know you can't hear it because it's that awesome, but it is on. There's a light. There it is. There's a light right there. So I've just got it set up on my counter. Let's see if I can kind of angle this better. There we go. That'll work. Try not to set your wraps like right in front of the heater because they're heat activated. And from applying, I just happen to know that my thumb is the 5th wrap up. They work smaller to larger. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to take the 5th wrap. And just by kind of like bending the sheet, I'm going to be able to find the edge of the wrap, again, so I don't touch it. And this is going to be like a reverse heating. I found that, especially if you have curvy nails, that putting it on like this and then heating actually seems to work better, but it doesn't really matter. The other way would be to take it off the sheet and heat it first and then apply. Ooh, that is warm. I'm gonna move that. So I've got my wrap right here on the tweezers, and I'm just going to set it right here at the base of my nail. I don't want it to overlap onto my skin, again, because I'm not gonna get a very good seal. And the beauty of this is that you can kind of pick it up and play with it before it's heated. So I've got it right there. Included in our application kit are these handy dandy little scissors. So you just want to trim the wrap. So there's the rest of it. The wrap is sitting on my nail. It's not actually like pushed down or anything. And then you got the heat source from our little mini heater. Only takes about 5 or 6 seconds. And I literally just take my thumb, start at the cuticle, and push straight down. And then I do it to the sides. Like that. So now it's all the way down on my nail. And then this cuticle pusher, which is also in the application kit, I'll heat my nail back up for just a couple seconds, and then I actually take this and I go all the way around my cuticle, all the way around the edge of the nail. That's going to give you the watertight seal to keep it on for your 14 days or longer, really. If you don't get a very good seal, if you get a lot of bubbles around the edges, that either means that you used a nail wrap that's too big for your nail, so it's puckering because there's too much wrap for the space, or you just haven't pushed it down far enough. You should see a tiny sliver of your natural nail, which you don't notice at all when the wrap is on, but that keeps it from being on your skin. As soon as you've done that step and it's had a chance to cool down just a tiny bit, take a nail file and you just go straight down until it starts to perforate like that. Oh, it fell off. I was going to show you. There it is. So it just falls right off. Now the wrap fits perfectly to my finger, and that was it. I can go and do whatever I need to do. My nail is dry. There's no stink. There's no fuss. And it's beautiful. Absolutely love it. So if you have any questions about application, any of the tools that I use, or any of our nail prep items, please feel free to call me, message me, text me, whatever you need to. My information is on my Facebook page, and I hope that you stay tuned for more videos. Thanks, guys.